Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to turn on the large button options for accessibility menu in Realme 14 Pro phone and how to turn this option off. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings, we need to scroll down to accessibility and convenience menu. Then we need to tap the accessibility at the top. And in the general function, we have accessibility menu. When we open it, in the top right corner, we have this cog menu, which we need to tap once. And here we have the option to use large buttons for our accessibility menu. It's a simple on-off switch. There are no other options nor menus in here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.